Let me show you exactly how Friend Disconnector works. First, you're just going to click the Scan and Analyze button. This will open up a new tab where Friend Disconnector will scan your friends list and then scan your posts for the last X amount of days and get all the people who reacted or left a comment on them. Once it's done, it will then close that tab and open up the Friend Disconnector dashboard. Here you'll see your friends list and the total reaction, comment, and message count for each friend. You'll also see how long ago was the first time Friend Disconnector scanned them in, so you can know at least how long they've been on your friends list. You'll also see the country they are most likely from. You can also access the settings if you want to change how far back Friend Disconnector should check posts for engagement. You can look back 15, 30, 60, 90, or 180 days. You'll also see a place to whitelist friends so you never delete them, a tab that shows all the deactive friends that are on your friends list, a tab that shows all your lost friends, those are people who have unfriended you, and a tab that shows all the people you've unfriended with Friend Disconnector. If you want to unfriend people, just click the checkbox next to their names and then click the unfriend button. Friend Disconnector will then open up a tab and unfriend them one by one, waiting a small amount of time between unfriending each person. Anyone you unfriend will be removed from your friends list and then added to your unfriended list. We recommend unfriending people who are at least 30 to 60 days on your friends list and still haven't engaged with any of your content or had a messenger conversation with you. And it's that simple to use Friend Disconnector to clean up your friends list. It's proven that cleaning up your friends list and removing inactive and unengaging friends will boost your organic reach and engagement on Facebook. So if you want more people to see your content and engage with it, then you should use Friend Disconnector daily.